Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft's new Entra Internet Access product and how it can be used to secure access to your SaaS-based applications. Microsoft Entra Internet Access is a security tool designed to protect your online activities. It can filter websites, provide user verification and monitoring, and also works seamlessly with conditional access. Entra Internet Access is a part of Global Secure Access, which is a product offered by Microsoft containing both Entra Private Access and Entra Internet Access. We will discuss Entra Private Access in our next video. From a high level, Entra Internet Access is designed to protect public internet and SaaS-based applications, whereas Entra Private Access is designed to protect internal resources, removing the need for traditional VPN solutions. In terms of pricing, the license cost is £4.10 per user per month, and you can also get it contained inside of the Microsoft Entra Suite, which comes in at £9.90 per user per month, but that does include Entra ID protection, Entra ID governance, Entra verified ID, Entra Internet Access, and Entra Private Access. Also be aware that as a minimum, as it states here, you do need a subscription to Microsoft Entra ID P1 or a package that includes Microsoft Entra ID P1. So we will demonstrate on how you can use this to secure access to the Microsoft 365 admin centers. If we log into our Intune portal and click on Devices, and then Conditional Access, and then Policies, you can see the two policies which we've created. So we have one for GSA Azure, and we also have one for block require compliant network access. If we go into the block policy, we can see we've targeted one of our test users. The target resource is selected resources, and we've selected the Microsoft admin portals. We've selected any network or location to be included, but then we've excluded all compliant network locations. We've also set it to block access. So that's the first policy. We also have a second policy to allow access. So again, we've targeted our test user. We've selected all internet resources with global secure access. And then we've also added a session-based policy to make sure that our secure access security profile is selected. Now let's see the behavior of what we've just done. So if we open up the one of the admin centers, if we go to portal.azure.com, single sign-on has obviously signed us in, where it says your sign is successful, but it doesn't meet the criteria to access this resource. So we could do the same for admin.microsoft.com. We get the same message. But if we go to portal.office.com, you can see you can still sign in and you'd still be able to access your files and your Word documents, etc. Now we are going to enable, so we're going to right click on our secure access client. We're going to right click and we're going to enable it. And we can see the control command client's been enabled. So we'll close down the browser. We'll open it up again. We will go to portal.azure.com again. Now you can see we've been granted access through the conditional access policies, which we showed you earlier. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to Valto for any further information.